happy to share you that I have been placed in as a data analyst at ARA Resources. I have joined Gamaka, a CGA program, to build my skills in data analytics. The program helped me to understand Python, SQL, Excel, and Power BI, and overall interview preparation preparation process in my all in practical way. The trainer was supportive, and the mock interview assignments and placement guidance really boosted my confidence. The learning was industry focused, which helped me to prepare for my real interview questions. I'm thankful to the Gamaka AI team for their continuous support throughout my journey. If you are looking forward to build a career in data analytics, I would definitely recommend the Gamaka AI CGA program. Thank you so much.